Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up monday.com for individual clients. So if you have multiple clients and you have to set up multiple monday.com projects or multiple workspaces or multiple boards for them, what you can do is you can use predefined templates. For example, if you have a client that is into finance and you want to create a new board for them or a new workspace, then you don't have to manually create the board, but you can use a template by going into main workspace, this blue button, and then choose from templates. Here you have to search for finance and you get a bunch of templates for financial accounting, finance request form, habit tracker, and statements. So in this way you can use any of these templates to manage your finance client. If you have another client that is into projects, you can search for projects and you can get a lot of project templates that you can use to manage your clients projects. And this template makes it very easier to do this process because you don't have to manually create the boards and add items, and you get everything created, which you can just make a few changes and it'll work. And for the last example, if you have a video editing client, you have to search for video and it will give you video production management template. You can use this template to manage your video editing or video production client. So guys, in this way you can use different templates in monday.com to manage your different clients or to set up monday.com for your clients. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.